Hey Scruffy, how you doing? I picked a new spot to hide. I didn't know you were hiding behind that chair. So it's dinner time, our usual time, so I'm not early tonight. So I got more bonus chicken scraps for you. Yeah, I bet you're excited. So you got your smelly fish, got your kibble, got your chicken skin, got your chicken bone. Still got your fleas too, huh? Yeah. Okay, well, how about we get to start it? I'm running late today. Oh, you're coming in, huh? So I'm just gonna bring out the food. So you want me to bring out the food, or what do you want me to do here? Yeah, you're coming in, huh? Okay, well, I don't know what you're gonna do inside. House is still a mess. Okay, so now, what are you looking at? So, yeah, not much to see in here, is there? Okay, well, hopefully you satisfied your curiosity there. Hopefully no fleas jumped off in the house. I should bring the flea spray inside so I can spray the floor. The water on the chair there. Close the door. Okay, so I'm going to change the water now. Yeah, you got a lot of dirt in the water. I don't know how you get the water so dirty. Okay, so your plate's still wet from yesterday. Okay, so I got your water changed. Oops. Okay, so sitting in the chair and getting the glove. Okay. Yeah, no, you moved your tail on my leg there. Oops. Oh. Want the cheek rubs already, huh? So today was supposed to be cooler, but it didn't live up to the expectation. So it actually was warmer than it was forecast to be, which is probably not a surprise since we're still in summer. It wasn't going to be that much cooler though, but it's supposed to be kind of a reasonable day today. It was a little cooler, but it wasn't nearly as cool as they predicted. And it didn't actually cool down as much as they predicted in the afternoon, evening. So I had trouble sleeping last night. Not sure why. Around 4:30 a.m. I finally decided to take a half dose of NyQuil, and I finally got to sleep. But I ended up waking up kind of late. I still didn't get quite a full night's sleep, but guess it wasn't too bad, all things considered. But yeah, I ended up waking up late today, and kind of mid-late morning. So I never had a chance to go out for an early bike ride. So I was supposed to bike today. But I figured, well, since it's supposed to be cooler today, I can go in the afternoon. And so I was waiting for it to cool down all day. And yeah, it didn't actually cool down nearly as much as they predicted. So it was still kind of warm by the time I finally went out. So I was a little disappointed. It wasn't terrible, but would have preferred it a little bit cooler. Oh, lifted up his legs there. So so I did do the exposed hillside climb number 1. It was okay. So since it was late, I didn't get the full intensity of the sun. So the UV index was starting to go down. So that helped. So I got a lot of food for you, Scruffy, tonight. So I probably want to start eating soon. Do it a little early. Because, yeah, I'm running behind on everything. I got stuff to do this evening. Try to catch up. I was actually debating if I was going to save extra chicken scraps for maybe just tomorrow night. And though I got so much, I probably need to go for several more nights. I think there's like... So I froze half of it, but yeah, there were 7 chicken thighs in that package. I was kind of expecting maybe 4. So I got basically twice as much stuff. So I froze half of it, but even still, there's still twice as much as I was expecting. So, and Scruffy takes a long time eating the extra food, so I don't want to be out here forever. Lifted up his leg there. That was a nice purr. Okay, I think we should wrap this up. That you're into it. I hate to wrap it up when you're into it, but yeah, I should. Okay, that's a meow. Maybe that's meow for food. Okay, let's get your food. And yeah, you're standing away from me. Making it hard for me to brush. He's looking at the brush. I don't think he likes it. His fur is actually pretty good today. Okay, I think I'll leave it there. So, yeah, at the park, yeah, I did the exposed hillside or mountainside or whatever. Then, yeah, I kind of, did my standard route, though I shortened it a little bit, just because it's, kind of late in the day, and, I was a little worried about getting back in time for dinner. I was wondering if I was going slow again. So on one of the standard hills that I climb, there was a runner in front of me as I just started climbing the hill, and he was leaving me in the dust. I couldn't believe how fast that guy was going. I thought maybe I was just going really slow, but I think that guy was actually booking it pretty good. But I kind of expected I'd be able to catch him on a bicycle, even on a incline. Well, at least that incline. I know really steep inclines are. I'm not going to catch them, but this one was. Actually, I don't know the grade. I guess maybe 6%. That might be too much, but I don't know. Say 5-6%. Thought maybe I'd be able to catch a runner, but yeah, he was just getting further and further and further from me. So I thought, yeah, this guy must be going really fast. And then another bicycle passed me. Like, oh gee, I must be going really slow today. And so I was watching the runner and the bicycle, pull ahead from me, and I eventually lost them. But finally, I noticed the bicycle was not catching the runner, so yeah, that runner was going really fast, and the bicycle that passed me was looked like it was a pretty nice road bike. So I'm guessing, yeah, he had all the advantages, weight and modern gears, and so I was probably doing okay. Let's see. Also, yeah, there was a section on the hill where there was, so there's steep incline on one side of the trail. So one side is a cliff, goes down, and the other side is the mountain that goes up. And so I at one point I suddenly heard like rocks shuffling, kind of falling down, and I heard some brush moving, and I looked up and I couldn't see anything, but I was starting to freak out. So I was wondering if something, is the mountain's going to come down on me? And then I started thinking about it and said, it must be a deer or something that's like crawling around up there and trying to get away. And I was starting to have a little paranoid thoughts about, maybe the deer is going to lose traction and fall on me and crush me. So started pedaling a little faster to get some distance. And then when I left the park, there's like a little toll booth that kind of guards the main road into the park and the exit. And so it's just in the middle of the road, and then the road's kind of narrow, but it's 2 lanes, so cars can go in each direction. Not a lot of space on either side after the road. And so I was leaving the park, and it's downhill when you leave the park. So I was going kind of fast. I mean, not that fast, it's within the safety speed limits. So if they're pedestrians, so you got to be careful. But I didn't notice it because the shadows and just things blending in. But yeah, there was a deer right on the side of the road of the exit next to the toll booth, and I didn't notice him until I was like right next to him. And I gave him wide berth because I was basically taking most of the lane, and so he was off on the edge of the concrete. But he shuffled a little bit as I got close to him. But yeah, then he kind of stood still as I was passing him. But yeah, I got pretty close to a deer. So it's a pretty big one too. But I think it was still pretty young. I don't think it was a full adult yet. So Scruffy went for the bone early, he didn't finish his bowl. He made kind of a mess too. I see Kibble on the deck. So yeah, anyway, I've been kind of behind on things today. So still haven't ordered the cat food yet. So I gotta do that soon. Just thinking, yeah, I might go grocery shopping soon, but yeah. I was thinking today actually would have been a good day, but I got up so late. So do another day. You can hear him snap that chicken bone. Potato chip. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I'm guessing it's probably good for the teeth too, in the sense that yeah, it's I've heard like dogs give them those rawhide bones or whatever, and it helps them clean their teeth. So I'm guessing yeah, chewing on hard stuff probably helps cats as well. And yeah, Scruffy has pretty bad teeth. I'm assuming it's just, due to age. I'm guessing, Scruffy is an older cat. Probably past mid-age. Because, I think a lot of these feral cats in our neighborhood, I've seen them for years, so yeah, they made a big mess. So yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if Scruffy's somewhere between 5 and 10 years old. Don't actually know. So one thing I noticed though, yeah, Scruffy doesn't look like any other cats in the neighborhood that I've seen. So I haven't seen any long-haired cats like Scruffy. Scruffy-looking cats like Scruffy. So I've seen a lot of short-haired cats. I've seen two white cats. Several different types of black cats. There's a Siamese cat. Scruffy made a mess on the deck. I feel like I need to clean that up. That chicken bone's messy. See all the blood, the bone marrow. It's like right under my leg. So I guess that's a sign of trust. So if he finishes soon, I think I want to go in. So he's almost done with the food. Yeah, so another thing I need to do, which I'm not going to do tonight, is I need to water the plants again, at least the dying tree. I don't need to water the whole garden, but I was thinking I might water the struggling maple a little more often. Just planning to do it. I was thinking either yesterday or today, but yeah, just didn't do it yesterday. Behind on things today, so maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Actually, need to finish watering the rest of the garden too, so I did 2/3 of it. There's 1/3 left, which I had done about 2 weeks ago. So I did the other 2/3 about a week ago, so this other remaining 1/3, it's due, so I gotta do it. Alright, still looking for more food? I think you ate everything. Look in the bowl now. Yeah, I think I smeared some of the smelly fish gravy on the edge. So. He really likes that chicken bone. Probably likes it more than the smelly fish. Because yeah, he was licking the carpet yesterday. Okay, he's finally done. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to stick around for second pets tonight. I got stuff to do. And I'm hungry. I want to eat dinner. And I don't want him throwing up. He's parking himself right here, so I think he might want second pets. He's going to guilt me into it, isn't he? But yeah, he wasn't really into it last night. Seemed like he kind of wanted it, and then it seemed like he didn't. So yeah, he seems like he gets really extra sensitive, especially in the face after he eats. So probably needs to digest his food first. But yeah, I don't think I want to be out here that much longer. So I'm going to shifting around. I'm going to put my glove down and see what he does. Do you want pets or not? It's kind of avoiding me. Looks like he kind of wants it, kind of doesn't. And yeah, he's kind of far from me, so I have to reach right now. Okay, Scruffy, I don't think this is worth it. And he's a little closer now. I think he chirped there. I hope that's not him regurgitating his food. Yeah, he's like avoiding me now. Okay, folks, I think I'm just going to wrap it up. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.